Do you
Sorry.
have
This one.
do you have a sister or brother?
This one, your answer.
No, I haven't. I am the only child.
Okay. This one can be like this. No, I have not. Mean to
No,
say you don't have. Yeah, I just make it short. So you will answer like this. Okay, next. Next question. Do you have friends? Okay, what will be your answer? Do you have friends?
I have friends.
Very good. I have friends. Okay, that's good. Teacher Rain or Miss Rain, what are their names? Okay, what are their names?
Uh,
Oh, what will be your answer, Miss Jeannie?
what are their names?
Hmm.
She
What are
are there.
okay. Oh, that's correct. There. You have to start with there. There.
There,
What will be next?
there are 아닌가?
Their names
아, there
are.
은영.
What are their names? Oh, yeah. I don't know what's the spell. Can you spell it out? Spell?
Their names are 은영.
Okay. How to spell?
어, YOUNG.
Y
OUNG.
OUNG. Okay, next. Oh, then what's next? Because it's many. Do you have
어,
only one friend?
아,
Or many? Okay, next.
BIN.
What's the spell?
빈.
Bin. This one, like that? Am I correct? Bin? BIN.
빈.
Okay, next. Who are there?
어,
Their names are.
어,
Just only three. It's okay for me. Another name. You can do it. Don't worry. Okay. What is the name of your another friend? Only two?
투.
Okay, only if there is only two, you have to put like this. Their names are Yong and Bin. You have to use and. Okay. Why do you like to study an English language? Why? Just like, do you want to go to America? Do you like?
어,
Okay, that
I,
is your answer. I like to study an English language so I can go to America. Like that. Okay, can you read this one? This first question first.
why do you like to study an English language?
Language.
Language?
Language.
Language.
Yeah. No, G. Language.
Language.
Okay. I will send to you all of this, but I have another question to you. Miss Jeannie, uh, did you learn something tonight or this night rather? Okay. Did you learn something this night?
음,
Meaning to say, uh, Is there something in your mind that you know now? Ah, I know now, like that. Did you learn something? Yes or no?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. What? What did you learn?
Huh?
I learned,
Uh,
I learned that.
I learned that
Yes, I learned that I need to speak, all right, in English language so I can go to America, like that. Okay. Okay, can you please read this one again?
did you read something this
Learn. This one is learn.
learn? Did you
Learn.
did you learn?
Yeah.
Did you learn something this night?
Yes.
Yes, I learned that I need to speak in English so I can go to America.
Okay.